to a gunfight. Take the wrongs and make it right. Getting put on front street, and that's pretty alright for me. Living life in the fast lane, on a road spot of the night. Spilling out dirty laundry, and that's pretty alright for me. There ain't no expression I heard today I feel. It's all just a figure of speech, but I swear it's real. And if you take a walk in my shoes for mine, you see this is just my way, my brand, my style. Won't save up for a rainy day, robbing Peter with all the pay, trying to get my lunch for free, and that's pretty alright for me. Everyone else's day, you see, and that's pretty alright for me. Probably won't turn the other cheek. I'm gonna turn up a new leaf to maybe barking up the wrong tree, and that's pretty alright for me. There ain't no expression I heard today I feel. It's all just a figure of speech, but I swear that it's real. Walk in my shoes for mine. You can see this is just my way, my brand, my style. Make a mountain from a molehill, but you're rubbing salt still, adding insult to injury, and that's pretty alright. To tell you how I feel. It's all just a figure of speech, but I swear that it's real. And if you take a walk in my shoes for a mile, you see it's just my way, my brand, my style. You said that you could out the vision, you can't beat them, better join them there. It's like sleeping with the enemy, and that's pretty alright. I guess the cats have got you tongue, but ain't over to the fantasy.